Ever notice how some pullbacks look perfect, then they fail and leave you frustrated? You're not alone. It happens to almost every trader. Some dips are really signals, others are just noise. Today, we'll dig into exactly how to see the setup that matters. And by the end, you'll notice patterns most traders completely miss. Look at this chart with me. See these little drops after a strong move up? Some bounce back perfectly. Others just kept dropping. Most traders rush in on the first few candles thinking the perfect entry and get burned. That's the problem. It's not the pullback itself, it's the context, candle size, wick length, prior momentum, surrounding price action. All of it matters. Check this 1 hour Bitcoin chart. Price pushes up, then drops slightly. Some retests hit a level and bounce back strongly. Other barely move before reversing. Watch the candle wicks, the height of the pullback and the speed of the prior move. The first candle after the pullback often tells you more than the next few combined. Can you spot which one are meaningful? This is exactly where most traders make mistakes. They see the same pattern but miss the details. Pause for a second and look. Which candle would you pick? Most people pick the wrong one. To make those setups easier to spot, we'll use a tool that highlights areas where buyers and sellers dominant. Red shows sellers, green shows buyers. At first glance, it might look like the candles already tell you that, but this tool filters the noise, showing you which moves are actually worth watching. Don't worry about the name yet, focus on the behavior. Notice how some pullbacks look tempting but fail? That's exactly why we need this filter. Alright, it's called swing arm ATR trend. On 4 hour chart, set the indicator time frame one level higher, so daily. ATR period 10. ATR factor 5 or 6. Under style, keep pip options and background plots on. Turn everything else off. On the 1 hour chart, bump time frame to 4 hour. ATR settings stay at the same. Look at the chart. See how it highlights meaningful pullbacks? Some retests now look obvious, others clearly noise. Sometimes this indicator gives a false signal or counter trend signals. That's normal, every tool does. Some pullbacks look perfect but the market keeps going the other way. If you jump in blindly, you'll get frustrated. This is why building a strategy around filtering is crucial. Swing arm gives a first look at potential pullbacks, but it can't tell you which one are high quality. That's where the next indicator comes in. It shows you trend direction and helps you escape the losing setups. Without this step, you'd be chasing a lot of fake opportunities. Stay with me. Enter market bias. Settings. time frame one level higher than the chart. Period 100 or 200. Smoothing 100. Oscillator 7. Disable HA candles and nothing else changes. Green for uptrend. Red for downtrend. When combined with the FTS band, it filters fake signals. Some candles that look like perfect setups now make sense. Others are clearly counter trend. For buy setup, market bias should be green. FTS green, price above the band. Wait for a pullback. And then a bullish candle closes above the band. Entry, next candle open. And a stop loss below the FTS band or recent swing low. Take profit, risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 to 1 to 4. And for sell setup, market bias should be red, FTS red, price below band. Wait for retest. Bearish candle closes, entry next candle. A stop loss above the band, target by risk reward. Ignore signals against the trend. Bullish in a downtrend, escape it. Bearish in an uptrend, escape it. See that? A small detail like the trend color can save you from a false setup most traders never notice. Combine these indicators and you'll start noticing patterns repeat across time frames. If you stay till the end, check out my other video showing a simple strategy for trading small amounts. Perfect for beginners. You'll see how these same principles work in an even simpler setup. I'll link it at the end so you can watch it next and keep practicing spotting quality pullbacks without risking a lot.